Hello, my YouTube friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. This video today is about your abilities in your home. Why are you here? What do you need? And I know a lot of you need mentoring. And so I'm going to talk to you about that today. Mentoring and my Patreon channel. My Patreon channel, which the link will be below at patreon.com, is for you. It's $5 a month to get a video every single day from me that's 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes long, and we talk about the theme for the month, which our theme for this month is choosing elegance. We talk about our theme for the year. Our theme for this year is to be fearless in 24. We talk about the work that we need to do today in our home, the planning and desk day, for example, on Wednesday. And we talk about the zone work we're doing, and we're in zone 5 right now, the living area. So I talk about all of those things and give you some details on one or more of those things all 5 days. If you're a payroll homemaker, you can certainly listen to those, but I'm going to tell you what you're going to be able to do on Saturday to encourage you to get those things done. So if you want to be mentored by me, I highly recommend that you spend $5 a month. You're going to get 20 videos a month. 20, because I make 4 a week, and I make those for, I make 5 a week, and I make those for 4 weeks. And if there's more weeks in the month, you're going to get those extras as well, because I don't take off to make those videos. I make them when I'm on my vacation. I make them during federal holidays. You're going to get 5 videos for all the Monday through Fridays of the year. So I highly recommend this. I think it's a great way to hold yourself accountable. If you're using the planner and you're listening to me talk to you, you're going to have such a toe up in this. But if that's not enough for you, if you feel that you are exhausted and overwhelmed and sad and anxious over the situation that your home is in, or your finances are in, or your workspace is in, or any part of your life that that requires some organization and someone to hold you accountable and help you walk through that, then that would be mentoring through me. And you can get that on my Patreon channel. You just go to the Patreon channel and you sign in and you sign up for a tier. Now this month I have only one 4 times a month slot available. That's $100, and it's month after month. $100 for 4 appointments a month. 4 appointments a month. It's $100. So it's 25-minute appointments, and it's month after month until you stop or until you step back. I have one 3 appointment a month schedule available. One. And that one is you work with me 3 weeks in a row and you take a week off. That one is $75. It's 3 25-minute appointments a month. And finally, I have 2 a month. 2 a month is every other week, and that one would be $50 a month. And I will be more than happy to discuss that with you. And when we talk, if the schedule's not right, you certainly don't have to sign up for something that the schedule won't be right for you, because I have a limited number of appointments available. For the 2 times a month, I just had another person sign up for 2 times a month, so now I'm one less on this. But hold on, and I'll tell you what I've got. Sorry, I think it's like 8. It's not very many, and they'll fill up pretty fast. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only have 7 of those available. So if that's something you're interested in, you need to let me know, and I'll be happy to assist you with that. All right, that's it for today. I know this was short and sweet, but I really wanted to give you the option to listen to yourself and to think, what am I spending my money on? Where am I in my home? Could I make a better decision? Could I be more mindful? Could I give myself and my family a peaceful existence because I'm streamlining the house? I know where things belong. I am more aware of what's going on. I can make meals now. I can plan meals now. My children aren't bickering as much because they're living in a more peaceful environment. My husband's happier. The clothes are being done. Everything's getting done, and I'm not stressing over it. That's the goal. I know it sounds overpoweringly uh, busy, like it's so much work you could never do it, but it's not. I'm going to help you do that step by step. We're going to get you through it, and before you know it, one of my clients calls it cat magic. My client Kendra, she says it's cat magic. You know, I do my rituals, and it's like cat magic. And I think that's the cutest expression. So I hope you want to experience some cat magic in your life. And it's not magic. It takes your commitment, and it takes your deliberate and purposeful, mindful choosing to do this. But I know you have that in you, and I know I can help you because I've helped hundreds and hundreds of others. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.